मिनिस्टर मेळपा येयले न्ही कित्याक लागून येयले ते
because of housing colony at home. We had put up to him our grievance. All people are objecting. We don't want that kind of project in Kumbhali. And I'll never allow till I am alive such project. Earlier project came. Housing board had brought one housing board in Panzarkoni, which we rejected. And this also we don't want to come in Kumbhali. In that state, हाती जांग नाक जाले कुंभलकारांचे पडायचे पडो आणि मुका प्रोजेक्ट आणि आमना काय सो मिनिस्टर had given us insurance that he'll help us.
उडयलो म्हाका हे प्रोजेक्टाचे पयलीं कांय खबर नासलें जेन्ना म्हाका जोकीन फोन केलो पळय तेन्ना हांवें म्हणलें की हावजींग बोर्डाचो कांय प्रोजेक्ट ना म्हणून कित्याक आमी हावजींग मिनिस्टरा कडेन उलयले नॉर्मली फिलींग अशें आसता की हावजींग प्रोजेक्ट वूड बी डन बाय हावजींग बोर्ड दॅट इज अ नॉर्मल फिलींग सो आतां अशें कळटा की अर्बन डेवलपमेंटाचो प्रोजेक्ट आहा सो हांवें आमचो मिलिंद नायक जो अर्बन डेवलपमेंट मिनिस्टर आहा ताजे कडेन हांव उलयलां I will take up this issue with him. We can also have a meeting with the people of Kumbhali and voice their concerns. Concern कितें आहा? Concern आहा की demography is something which is easily not understood by everyone. म्हणून आमचे साश्टीन आनी साउथ गोवान एक concern demographyचे आसा and it has been held to be justified by the government many times. सडनली एक गांवाचो आकारच बदलता हें जावपाक जायना आनी वी वील सी टू इट दॅट समथींग दॅट इज नॉट वॉन्टेड बाय द पीपल इज नॉट थ्रस्ट ऑन देम अननेसेसरी म्हणून एक इनिशियल स्टेज आय वूड लायक टू ओनली कमीट दॅट वी वील हॅव टॉक्स विथ अर्बन डेवलपमेंट मिनिस्टर एंड voice our concerns.
Of 2,600 houses in an industrial estate in an area of about 4.5 lakh square meters. This has been reported in various sections of the media. So the people are very upset about it and we don't want such a project to come in Kunkolim. In the past, in 2003, there was a proposal by the housing board for a housing project to be set up in Panzarkoni. At that time, Mr. Joachim Alemao with the people, even they were arrested and that project was scrapped. Subsequently, that land was taken over by G. Suda and a huge stadium and a project was proposed there, but that also the people never wanted, so that was also scrapped. Today we have full faith in our party chief Vijay Sardesai and we ask him to intervene in this matter because people in that area, we have our ward councillors as well, there is huge hardships faced by the people because of pollution, erratic power supply and which such huge influx of people, 2,600 houses that has been reported. There will be a change in the demography of the entire Kunkolim constituency and there will be a huge imbalance. So we ask Honorable TCP Minister to intervene in this matter and scrap this project.